Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our DT8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. And of course, okay, we are going to check on the Bluetooth call feature of the smartwatch. Okay, if you are new to the smartwatch, okay, this wearable do have a feature for the or a function for the Bluetooth call, as you can see here. Okay, it also supports push notifications. So this is a premium smartwatch from DT number 1. It's the DT8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. So we are already paired with the Support App Wear Pro, and of course, what's next? Let's try the Bluetooth call and the push notifications for the smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this video review, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, we are ready, and as you can see in our watch face earlier, we still have at least 20% battery life. Okay, let's see if we can still make a call with this smartwatch. Okay, so we are paired with the Wear Pro Support App, so everything works, I guess. So let's see it here. More settings. So we are connected here, and we are connected with other audio device here. Okay, so let's try. Okay, let's go first with SMS as well as the app notifications. So seems like everything is okay here for the app notifications. Let's see. Okay, let's activate. Okay, and let's try the WhatsApp application. Okay, so we have here the WhatsApp application. So let's send a message to the smartwatch. Okay, oh, wait, let's chat. Okay, so hello bro. So let's try. Can we receive the message in real time? Let's see. Okay, as you can see, real-time messages automatically push to your smartwatch. Okay, that's a very good, okay, very good function or very good result so far. Message your brand. Okay, let's see again. Okay, so it works. Okay, so it works for the app notifications. Okay, let's see about the Bluetooth call or just the app call. Okay, so it did not work here. Okay, so again, let's try. Okay, let's set it here first. Okay, and then more settings. Let's disconnect this first. Okay, okay, so let's have another one. Oh, it did not work. Okay, maybe we missed something. Okay, how about the Bluetooth call? Let's see. Okay, let's see. Maybe we missed something on the settings. Okay, so it works here for the Bluetooth call, not just the app call. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, going back, but it's not the expected settings that I expect. Again, we have here. Okay, no, there's no option to answer. Let's go back again here. Okay, so everything works. Okay, let's go back with the Wear Pro app. Let's see here. Let's add a contact and see if it works. Add. Okay, do you have it here? Contacts. Okay, we have Bluetooth call. Let's see. Audio, it's okay. SMS, it's okay. Seems like everything works. Okay, again, let's try. Okay, I'm confused with this one. Bluetooth call. Open. Please pair again. What's the connected? So okay, so we need to activate it first here in the smartwatch. Okay, again, hopefully it works now. The first one is just the notifications about the call. Okay, so this is what the UI that I'm expecting. Okay, as you can see here, it works. Okay, let's try to answer. Yes, hello. Okay, hello. Okay, so you have an option also to adjust the volume, and as you can see, we can receive calls here in our smartwatch. Okay, after some tweaking, so far it works. Contacts, let's see. Okay, so it works. Okay, as you can see here, check. And okay, how about dial calls, call records? We do have it here. Okay, contacts, phone. Okay, so let's try to call this number. Okay, 0 again, phone 09 691 0969 661 58399. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it's not dialing. Okay, so it works. Recheck. Okay, so far it works with the Bluetooth call, the messages. Okay, so you have a personal's icon here, contacts, call records, works. Okay, again, with the DT8 Ultra Plus smartwatch, don't forget to activate this one to see if it's connected or not. Okay, so earlier it was closed, that's why we are receiving a notifications only but not a Bluetooth call. So you have to activate it first. Okay, so it's now paired with the audio, and make it sure also here in the Bluetooth settings. Okay, you have it here. Let me show it to you that you are paired with this one. Okay, so audio BE2E, okay, or audio 69AA. Okay, so we are connected as you can see here. Okay, just go to more settings. Okay, let's see. As you can see here, connected to phone audio, connected to media audio, and used for contact sharing. Okay, so it's also easy to add contacts here. Just go to frequent contacts, and you can add it here and sync to your smartwatch. Add contacts, just pick number and sync contacts. So that's it for our DT8 Ultra Plus smartwatch, Bluetooth call support, SMS, and app notifications. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have that time. Goodbye.